Hey everyone, I am Arush Dixit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to continue our Python series and this is our part 11, and in this video we are going to see how can we create a project for guess the number, and this is going to be a game. So let's go to our computer screen and get started as we have done our first project that was calculated and that was very amazing. So just like that I have also created a project in this video. So here we have our project to guess the number. Here in the guess the number game, a random number will be decided between 1 to 100 and you have to guess that number, and our computer will tell that is that number is higher than the original number or lower than the original number, or that is right. And when the correct answer will be done, then it will tell our attempts, in how many attempts we have successfully passed that. So firstly I am importing a module for random number called random. Here firstly let me tell you how can you print the random number from 1 to 100. In random module of the Python, random dot rand, and we have this function in random module. Here you have to pass the low number and high number. Here I will pass 1 to 100, and if I will do this thing, then it will give us this thing. It's 3 right now, and if you again run it's 45, then it means it's the random number. So I am going to create a variable for random number, and we will do the same task in a loop. So we will write while true, and here and in first iteration the random number will be chosen, and when the random number is chosen, then we can say that at upside we can say print this game is guess the number. In this game you have to guess a number chosen by the computer. And after this, and when this thing will be done, then our random number will be decided right now. And after that we will run a loop until done is false, and while not done, then this code will be run again and again this code will run. And in this code we are saying that here we will put the input of the user. We will pull the input of the user that user will give. So here I will write guessed num is equal to integer input, because we want to traverse that into integers. So for type traversing in Python we use kind of this thing, and as in input, enter the number. And after this we will print if guessed number is not equal to random number, then print wrong, else print right. Let's save this, and it's saying us something. It's say guess the number 89, wrong. 50, right. That's 50. And again it will, and after this we will use else if. If guessed number, if that is not equal to the random number, then guessed number must be greater than or less than. Two conditions are now left, less than and greater than. So if that is less than the original number, then print. If that is true, then print you are right. And after this, if our random number is less than, if our guessed number is less than random number, then it's low. Else if guessed number is greater than random number, then print it's high. Now let's save this and run. And if we say 89, it's high. It means we have to try with lower. 78, it's high. 50, high. 40, high. 30, it's low. Then let's try with 35, it's low. Then 39, it's high. And if we try with 37, it's high. Then that is 36. You are right. And we also have to put the attempts here. Full stop, attempts taken. And here our attempts will be present. Attempts like this. And at every time, if that is wrong, then it must be less than and equal to, less than and greater than. So we will write that attempts, if that is low, then attempts plus is equal to 1. Control D, Alt down. Now it's on here also. Now let's close this and run. And 89, it's high. 50, it's low. 65, it's high. And if we try with 60, it's low. It means that is 61, 62, 63 or 64. Let's try with 63. It's high. It's low. Then that is must be 64. You are right, attempt taken 5. And 1, 2, 3, not from here. 1, 2, and above the 60, 65, 3, 4 and 5. And let's choose the description. We have to put here good description so that you player can understand what thing we have to do in this game. So this game is guess the number. In this game you have to guess the number chosen by computer. That number must be between 1 to 100, or we can create a limit here. Low is equal to 0, high is equal to 100. And here we have a thing in Python called f-string. For that you can just do like this in Python. So this is very helpful feature, so that you don't have to do this plus and that thing. So I am doing that. Low, between low to high, just like this. Low to high. The number is between 0 to 100, and if we say that 89, it's high. 50, it's high. And 25, it's high. And then we can try with 15, it's low. And 20, it's low. 25, it's high. 24, 23, 22, and it means that is 21. You have taken 9 attempts. So now we can play the game. Now our game is ready and we can play that. Let's see what will happen here. And Python main.py, and this game is guess the number. In this game you have to guess a number chosen by computer. That number must be between 0 to 100, and we can say to 50, it's low. Then 75, it's high. Then it must be between 50 and 75. And if we try with 60, then it's low. Then it must be between 60 to 75. And if we say to 65, then that's right, and we have taken 3 attempts, and this is my score. You have to break this score. If you can, you can break. If you can, you can break this. So now our game is completed, and now you can play with this game. And this is our project 2. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.